Hey beautiful gut feelers, today we're going to talk about constipation. Constipation medicine, a diet that helps you to get rid of constipation long term without using more medications or any kinds of special supplements. I'm making this video for you guys because constipation is a subject that comes up again and again in my clients' practice, but also here on YouTube in the gut feeler community. So I really want to help you to get out of this. This is a really big subject, very complex, not complicated, just complex. One of the main factors that cause constipation is dehydration. Then we have a high toxicity in the body, often in combination with inflammation and swelling in the gut. Then we have an overburdened liver, which is dealing with the toxins, but also with all kinds of medication residues. And on top, we have something called neurological fatigue. For example, if you have a lot of toxic heavy metals in your body, they can actually interfere with the neurotransmitter and so with the neurological signal that is given from your brain to your stomach, your intestines, which has to do with also with your peristaltic, with the motility of your gut. Now, as this is a big subject, I want to do a separate video on this. What we're going to do in this video is I'm going to give you a 3-step diet change plan. It addresses all of these issues that I talked about before. Good news is it's super simple. It doesn't contain any medication. It doesn't contain more supplements. It's simple, but it's not easy. And why it's not easy is because it addresses your diet habits. Changing diet habits is never easy. We are addicted to food. It's stimulating us. It's nourishing us. It's normal. We all want it. However, if you want to address constipation long term, you really want to get rid of all those medications and stop taking all of those enzymes and more supplements, be dependent on that, then you're going to address your diet. It's also going to have a positive impact on other symptoms in your body. You have more energy, clearer skin, just to name a few. To make these 3 steps simple and easy for you, I recommend you, whenever you listen to this, don't freak out, do them for 1 week. Commit for them for 7 days. This is usually something our head can do. And after those 7 days, reassess how did your constipation develop? Do you even still have constipation or is it gone completely? Now, let's dive into this. I'm super excited. I want to help you out here. The 3 steps, 3 diet changes to get rid of your constipation long term. Step number 1. What you do in the morning matters. It matters a lot. So for the next 7 days, if you commit to do that, watch the video till the end and then you can make your decision. For the first 1 hour, 2 would be better, 1 is minimum. You're going to focus on hydrating your gut. Hydrating and not eating. There are 2 options what you can do. You can do them both or either or. First, you drink warm lemon water. Yeah, this is just 1 lemon squeezed into water and you drink that. Or you do cucumber juice. Yeah, 2 cucumbers juiced and also drunken. Both of these address hydration in your gut. And you also give your liver, you give your intestines time to really complete the digestive process and bring out everything that is stored up throughout the night that hasn't moved yet in your colon. Move out and have your first bowel movement. Even if in the first days it doesn't work and you don't have your bowel movement in the morning, it's still going to build up. It's called compound effect. So step number 1, repeating, super simple. The first hour when you wake up, 2 hours would be better, you drink either lemon water or cucumber juice. What is not allowed, sorry guys, is coffee or black tea or anything like that. Herbal teas are good as well, but at least 1 lemon water or 1 cucumber juice. Both lemon and cucumbers, they are super hydrating for your gut. They contain a perfect balance of minerals, which also help your peristaltic in your gut. You can drink then additional water and tea, whatever you want, not black tea, not green tea, herbal tea, if you need more hydration. Step number 2, for helping your constipation, we're going to focus for the next 7 days on eating foods that are high in nutrients and low in calories. There are 2 food groups which are falling into that. This is fruits and vegetables. These foods naturally contain a high water content. If you eat them raw, which I recommend, are high in fiber, they are high in vitamins and high in minerals and nutrients, phytonutrients, which will help your gut to restore itself, help your liver to rebuild, the bile production will go up. And the most important thing, guys, this is really key. So really key here in step number 2 is that these foods, vegetables and fruits in general, are low in fat and low in protein. I know if you're on the paleo movement, if you're on the keto diet, I understand that you heard a lot about I need my protein, I need more fats, healthy fats. But for that week, I want you to try it out because it works. Allow your digestive system this break, going low in protein, low in fat. Your liver has time to restore itself, restore the bile production. You also have a better chance to digest your foods completely because likely you have low stomach acid. All of these I'm addressing in a separate video because it's just going to get too long. Step number 2, eat a lot of foods that are high in nutrients. These are vegetables and fruits. Best would be raw if you can. And minimize your fat intake and your protein intake. And last but not least, step number 3, guys, and this one is the challenging one. If they weren't challenging already for you, this one, I know it's gonna hurt. Maybe there's a lot of, no, I can't do this coming up in your head. But if you're serious about this, doing that for 1 week, you're gonna see a change. You're gonna see improvements. What is it? Third step is gonna be leaving out 4 trigger foods. These 4 are eggs, any eggs, organic or not organic. If you watch the hen lay the egg, it doesn't matter. Eggs need to go, dairy products need to go, all kinds of dairy products, even yogurt and stuff like that, ghee, butter, everything. Then we have gluten, any grains that contain gluten. And the 4th one is processed foods. Processed foods, often they are full of additives, they contain aroma, they basically mess up your whole internal chemistry. They're also often fried foods. Yeah, this is also a processed food, by the way. And I link you a video where I explain a little bit more about why these food groups are actually not helpful for improving anything in your body. But for now, I want you to go out there and try that out. So let me summarize. The best constipation medicine, if you want to improve your digestion and your constipation long term without medication and without more supplements, is this: a diet change. Number 1, the first 1 or 2 hours after waking up, you're going to focus on cleansing your digestion and hydrating it with lemon water, warm lemon water, or cucumber juice. And then additional herbal teas or high quality water is allowed too. Number 2, going to eat nutrient dense foods, which are raw would be the best, and they are low in fat and low in protein to give your digestion a break as well and your liver as well. And number 3, avoiding the most common 4 trigger foods: dairy, eggs, gluten, and processed foods. Guys, I know this is a lot. I told you it's simple, but it's not easy. Think about this, make a decision. If you're really into this and you want to give this a try and heal your digestion long term, then commit to it. And if you made that step, I'd love to have a comment from you down below with a yes and a start date. When do you commit to start this week? Let us know in the comments below, yes plus start date. If you're completely overwhelmed and think like, oh my God, what should I eat? What am I doing then? I got you covered there. I made a beautiful, delicious recipe guide for 1 week. It's called the Gut Healing Challenge. It complies to all the things that we discussed in this video, and you don't have to think about what to eat, when to eat. It gives you all the information. So if you're interested in that, check that out below. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a beautiful week, and I know you can do this. Don't give up. Let's get to work. Bye bye.